Back to the lab again. Start that Spring.io. Build a new application. Hit generate and then unzip the application. It's not much, but it's something. It's got unit tests we'd like to make sure are green. Build it and test it. Looking good. We need to get this thing onto GitHub. I like to git init a repository and then just override the .git config file and then git push those changes to a newly minted Git repository on GitHub. But you do you. Either way, we've got a Git repository with a Spring Boot application. Everything's fine, but we won't know if it's still fine tomorrow or the day after without continuous integration. Set up a .github workflows directory and then copy this deliciously simple YAML file. Each step involves an action. One checks the code out, one sets up a cache of Maven dependencies so that subsequent runs will run faster. Another installs Java locally on the CI environment with using one of the various Java distributions. Note that there's also a similar GitHub action to set up GraalVM and the native image capability. And finally, the last step runs a little bash to build a Docker image out of the boot application with build packs. Save and commit those atrocities and then stand back as GitHub Actions builds your code and takes it to production.